Past perfect. In this video, I'll explain you how to form a past perfect and when to use a past perfect. But before, it's good to know that in the English language, we have regular and irregular verb, and this is advisable that you study the most commonly used irregular verbs. Now let's get started. Take a look to these sentences. I had painted the door yellow, and they have paid for dinner themselves. How to form a past perfect. Regular verbs. You use this structure. Had plus past participle. That means verb plus ed. The past participle can be made by adding ed to the base form of the verb. Examples. I had kissed her. Here, kissed ed. And another example. You had work late. And here, ed. For the plural is the same structure. Had plus past participle. That means verb plus ed. Examples. We had walked to the school. Here, walk. They had marked the test. Here, ed. Then we need to pay extra attention to verbs ending in a e, such as live, close, wipe, etc. These verbs use, let me erase this. Like had plus verb e plus e. Examples. I live there. I have lived there. Live ends with a e, so we only just need to add a d. And we need to pay extra attention to verbs ending in a y, especially those preceded by a consonant, like spy, study, etc. Y becomes an e. For example, we had studied hard. We had studied hard. This usually ends with a Y, but if you want to write it in past, you only need to change Y with a E and finish it with ED. How to form a past perfect, irregular verbs. Again, we use had plus past participle. Unique past perfect form. For example, we had run the marathon. Had run. Let's have a look at the past perfect in questions. For regular verbs, again we use the base past simple form and the past participle. Example, let me erase this again. Examples. Had she take to him? Another one. Had you kick the ball? For irregular verbs, we also use had plus past participle. Unique past perfect form. Had she quit her job? Another one. Had you drive the car? Past perfect in negations. For regular verbs, we use this structure. Had plus not plus past participle that means verb plus ed. Examples. I hadn't listened to the news. It hadn't rained since Friday. The form for irregular verbs is had plus not plus cars. You need past perfect form. Examples. They hadn't paid for dinner. We use the past perfect for a thing that happened in the past but before something else in the past. Past simple. We use to coordinate the past. We have two things that happen in the past and the past perfect happen at the first point in the past. For example, I had brushed my teeth before I went to bed. So first I brushed my teeth and then went to bed. Another example is they decided to buy a car after the old one had broken down. So first the old car broke down and they decided to buy a car. For example, I had brushed my teeth before I went to bed. Sorry. I went to bed.